Have you ever had a day where nothing feels right? Your toast burns, your bus leaves without you, it feels like the world is against you. This is the story of a girl named Maya. A hard day, a few unkind words, and how those words found their way back. Maya was usually kind, gentle, friendly, but not that day, that morning. She missed her school bus, she forgot her math homework. Her best friend Anya sat with someone else. At lunch, Maya dropped her entire food tray. Silence filled the cafeteria. People stared. Her cheeks turned red. She wanted to cry. But instead, she got angry. As Maya picked up her food, a classmate named Nina walked by. She accidentally stepped on Maya's sandwich. It wasn't on purpose, but Maya exploded. Ugh, can't you look where you're going? You're so annoying. Those words were sharp, like tiny arrows. They hurt. Nina's eyes widened. She didn't answer, she just walked away slowly. Maya sat alone, her anger faded, but her heart still felt stormy. The very next day, Maya was in art class. She knocked over a jar of red paint. It spilled everywhere. Her hands froze, eyes turned to her. Then, a voice from behind said, "Ugh, can't you look where you're going? You're so annoying." The exact same words, thrown back at her like a mirror. Maya felt small, silent, sad. That night, Maya lay in bed. Lights off, but her thoughts were loud. Is this how Nina felt yesterday? Did I make her feel this small too? She remembered Nina's quiet eyes. Her chest ached. She whispered into the dark, "I don't want to be that kind of person." The next morning, Maya walked slowly to school. At recess, she saw Nina reading alone under a tree. Maya's hands shook. Her voice was soft. She walked up and said, "Nina, I'm really sorry. I was upset and took it out on you. That wasn't fair." Nina looked up, surprised. Then she smiled and said, "It's okay, I get upset too sometimes." They sat together under the tree, two girls, one new beginning. From that day on, Maya chose her words carefully. Not perfect, but kinder. When someone made a mistake, she said, "It's okay, we all mess up sometimes." When someone looked sad, she whispered, "Do you want to talk about it?" When someone was kind, she smiled and said, "Thank you, that was really sweet." And something amazing happened. Those words came back to her, in smiles, in friendship, in kindness. Maya learned the greatest secret. Words don't disappear, they bounce back. So choose the kind ones, always. Let's learn the word meanings. Kindness, doing or saying something that makes others feel good and loved. Apology, saying "I'm sorry" and truly meaning it. Empathy, understanding how someone else feels inside. Reflection, thinking deeply about what happened and how we feel. What kind of words are you putting into the world today? Will they grow flowers? Or thorns? Speak words that heal, that help, that hug hearts. Let's be like Maya. Let's make kindness bounce back.